To start a project, we need to import some assets. I'm going to select the project panel. I'm going to double click in this blank area here where my cursor is. This will then allow me to access from within inside my project folder, within inside my assets, any information that I want to link into my After Effects project. Similar to Premiere Pro, After Effects does not embed information into the document. It creates a link between the After Effects project and your assets. Now I'm going to select this file here, a piece of Adobe stock media. I'm going to select Open. That will create a link. Within the project panel, you can see I have a little preview window giving me information about the asset itself. To create a composition. A composition is the key core element of an After Effects file. It's created by dragging your assets into the timeline. As soon as you drag into the timeline into the left-hand side, you will see that my asset is now displayed inside the composition window. If I play through my video clip, you will see I have a red bar move across the screen. When I finish playing and I press spacebar, the CTI, the current time indicator, matches the position of the red bar. Now I can scrub this in the timeline. I'm bringing my CTI back to the very beginning.